In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into Google Ads. Whether you're new to managing online advertising campaigns or simply need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the steps to easily access your Google Ads account. Let's start by opening a web browser of your choice and going to the Google Ads homepage. Simply type in adsgoogle.com into your browser's address bar and you'll be taken to the main page. This is the gateway to accessing all your advertising tools and reports, so it's a good idea to bookmark this page for faster access in the future. Once you're on the Google Ads homepage, the next step is to locate the Sign In button. It's usually found at the top right corner of the page. A quick tip here, if you don't see the Sign In option, double check that you're on the correct website and that the page has loaded fully. Go ahead and click on Sign In. This will take you to a page where you need to enter your Google account credentials. You'll notice the familiar Google sign-in page where you'll be prompted to enter your email. Make sure you use the email address associated with your Google Ads account. If you're managing multiple Google accounts, be sure to select the correct one to avoid any mix-up. After entering your email address, click Next and input your password when prompted. This step is crucial for ensuring the security of your account, so make sure your password is strong and not easily guessed. Once you've entered your password, click Next to move forward. You may need to complete two-factor authentication depending on your security settings, which adds an extra layer of protection to keep your account secure. Now that you're successfully logged into your Google account, you'll be redirected back to Google Ads. Here, you'll land on an account selection screen if you manage multiple Google Ads accounts. You'll want to select the specific ads account you wish to access. The list of accounts will be laid out for you, so click the one you want to work with. If you only manage one account, it will take you directly to your dashboard without needing to select an account. And there you have it. You're now signed into Google Ads and ready to explore the platform. From here you can create or manage your ad campaigns, analyze performance data, and fine-tune your marketing strategies to maximize your online reach. Navigating to and from your account is straightforward once you've grasped the basics, making it a seamless process every time you log in. I hope this step-by-step walkthrough has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and feel free to reach out with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching, and happy advertising.